Today we looked at the circumference of a circle, and you'll notice that this worksheet looks very similar to yesterday's because the circles on the front of the page are all the same. We're just using a different formula. Yesterday's was area using the formula A equals pi r squared. Today is circumference using the formula C equals pi d. There's also another option to use C equals 2 pi r, but for the most part in Onlevel, I'm going to have you guys use pi d just to keep a clearer distinction between the formula for circumference and the formula for area. So, the very first thing I need to do is figure out what my d is going to be. I know I'm given a radius because I have a line that crosses halfway through the circle. So the diameter would be that extension of that line that goes all the way across the circle, another 15 inches. 15 plus 15 equals 30, so my d equals 30. Since my d equals 30, I can now fill in this equation. C equals pi times 30. Let me reverse the order on my answer solution bar down here because I like to see my pi symbol after the number. So my circumference equals 30 pi inches. And again, we're going to do approximated values by using 3.14. So my approximated value is 30 times 3.14. Or we would say it's approximately 94.2 inches in circumference. Again, let's go ahead and do number 3 together because this time we're given a line all the way across the circle. So C equals pi d. I'm already given the diameter is 10 meters, so C equals pi times 10. I don't have to do anything with that number in this instance because I'm already given the diameter. So I'm going to write it down here in my exact circumference, putting pi at the end of the statement. So C equals 10 pi. And now again, I will find my approximate by plugging in 3.14 for the value of pi. So 10 times 3.14. You're going to show me your work. But my C equals 31.4 meters. Aside from keeping your two formulas distinct from each other, this is not really a difficult concept. You just need to be careful and make sure that you're looking and paying close attention to, do I have a radius? Do I have a diameter? How do I use the radius or diameter in the equation? Have a good evening.